What's up guys, Pressing on here back for another video. Today we're going to unbox the Samsung Galaxy Watch. So I was able to get this. Is actually the last unit. I'm going to use my Samsung Galaxy S9 to connect to the Galaxy Watch. And of course my wireless us are using AirPods. So we're going to unbox the Galaxy Watch. This is the 46mm Bluetooth. It's not the LTE. But I always connect to Bluetooth because I want to connect to my wireless earphones. So that's the reason behind. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave this thing off a very great packaging. Galaxy Watch. Oh, what is this? I see a protect to the that protect the watch means prevent it to do it. Great handle, but actually because it's the seal is cut off, it will come out. This is the actually count to take. So let's check behind. Long battery life, auto fitness. Well, that's how I'll use it temporary. Water resistant 50 meters. So just in case you drop. And yeah, this is the watch they are showing like that. I think they should show the whole rather than just half. It looks kind of odd. And yeah, it's everything. Warranty wasted at the purchase. Yeah, as I saw, just leave it aside. And of course, here's the watch. Very beautiful. Let's take it out. So heartbeat, there's a connector that we can take it out for a moment. And there's a one plastic here. I think it's protect. I'll take out in a second. Let's see, it can move. Yes, it still can move. And yeah, it's been tied up. I'll connect in a second. So let's check what's more in the box. Seems like it's tab, so let's stick it out. I only got one hand because I'm using another hand for videoing thing. Okay, I need to try my best to open a notification on Facebook, which is very annoying. So let's see. What's this? Oh, it's a lot of notification. Makes me very annoying sometimes. It's covered in something that I don't understand. Hold on, give me a sec. Oh, just an extra strap. So yeah, this is, never mind, we just leave it aside. Let's see what we got here. Oh, actually this is a charging stand to charge your watch, and this looks like a USB something. I forgot what type is this. If you see this, just comment down below what type is this. Let's put it aside here. And what's this? Galaxy Watch. Must be a quick start guide to how to connect to it. Let's check the other side. There should be a cable actually. And oh wow. Okay, so it wraps like here. Looks like a very good quality they put inside. Let's close it. Wow, I didn't even ask to open and he asked me to unlock. No, not the time right now. Alright. Oh yeah, I close everything down. Let me close everything. Push it back down. On. Yeah, it should be like this. I think I just open it up like this, I think. So let me get it right. You know what? I just leave it there. Whatever. Let's see what we got inside. Alright guys, give me a sec. Okay. So it's actually a charger to charge your Apple Watch. I will extend the cable. So this is pretty neat. So let's go back to the watch. What's this? Some kind of grab notification. We don't care about that. So yeah, we got to scroll down, switch on Bluetooth, and they'll ask some kind of renting AirPods. Yeah, just close it. So yeah, so oops, no, we're leaving everything aside. Everything aside for a moment. Bye bye. And we will start to use it. I think the power button is here. Let me try the click. Okay. Yeah, that's the power button. Okay. Alright, yeah, the right. So it takes times to load, so we just leave it aside. So of course you need to pair with it. So give me a sec. Okay, go to here and whoa, that's bright. The iPad wearable Galaxy wearable watch. And yeah, it's reading that Samsung. Start your journey. Yes, I'm going to start my journey. Galaxy Watch. Welcome. scroll down. Okay, start my journey using Galaxy Watch. Yes, at 7. Okay, okay. Preparing to connect. So the process is very straightforward. Actually, I just really give you a clear view of the connection. There's a better view. So it's connecting. So of course I need to take his time to connect. Almost done. Phone's at 64%. I'm not sure the watch how many percent that is, so the process might take some time. Maybe you say it's completed, and then sometimes you say that you must agree everything, so else the watch is not working, so you must agree to anything. So I need to wait. Setting up your phone. Okay, that's the one thing you need to learn about it. It's very great. You can see it looks like universe like moving around, like Milky Way trying to move. Like it's a great showing that your new watch is born. And yeah, it's almost, I don't know what sound it came off on my, but don't mind about it. So yeah, see this? You must, a new Galaxy Watch is color, so we must click allowed to access your calendar. You must wait until pairing underway. I'll connect to SmartThings later, but most important is pair the device, which is very important about it. So you can see when I move, I can feel the vibration, which is awesome. So it's pairing underway. So see, it's written there that Samsung Galaxy is connected. So while you are pairing, take a moment to get familiar with your watch. So is it pair? No, okay, let's get how to use. So home screen, your watch is the main screen of watch. Turn the bezel clockwise to show the different widgets. Turn the bezel anti-clockwise to see notification. Okay. Alright, the back key is press hold to show the previous screen. The home key is press show ads and watch face. Press hold and R to turn on and off the watch. Okay. Get notification on the watch so you can turn them more easily. Yes, okay, thank you. Watch is paired. I must agree to all. I don't care what is this, but you must agree to all. There's no choice. Next. Yes, I will restore. This may take a while. Okay. So yeah, the watch is ready. So let me take the process for a moment. So we just leave it there for it to restore. So what you're going to do, I'm going to put my iPad here and we got to look at my watch. So here is the watch is here. Alright. So turn clockwise, you will appear. Turn the other way, turn by the back watch. Turn again, no notification. This is the back key to turn back. So here's the home key and here's the home key. So click use an app, almost there. You swipe down and cover and touch with the palm. Oh, with the palm. Okay. Let's see. That's it. Alright, so that's it. So all done. Enjoy your watch. Yeah. Thank you. So that's it. So I swipe down is the yeah, so I have 88% of battery. Wow, that's great. So I can't using Bluetooth when my brightness seems to be a little bit too high. turn always not. No, I will not request for that. So yeah, that's it. That's it about it. So thank you and goodbye.